So you see the logo on the packaging. Without being too redundant, there's a playlist if you want to check out more of the backstory. But this is, you know, some hope, dream, wishes, and finally seeing Project Xtnctn merch, you know what I'm saying, being mass produced, not just me by hand. But at the same time, me saying that is, I feel like I know I can be as great as a designer and producer as Ralph Lauren, Tommy Hilfiger, you know what I'm saying, Louis Vuitton, anything that you, Hermes, all that. It's just a matter of resources. So I'm just doing what I can with what I got. So I'm gonna critique this as I would critique anything else. SS25, spring summer 25 Project Xtnctn. This is SS25 raw. First design. How good? How bad? Let's see. All right. I ain't mad at it. 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 Okay, hold up. Now, I did say I wanted the faded vintage black. It's not exactly giving that. But at the same time, the shirt that I have on is a darker black than this one is. Okay. It has a thick collar. It's supposed to be oversized boxy fit. And now, if you know, you've been following the channel and stuff like that, I be getting 3X's. You know what I'm saying? I be getting 3X's and putting them on. So this is a large. This is a large. A large. I'm gonna put that shit on. So I wanted the Project Xtnctn just to be a little bit bigger to cover up more space. And there is one, but you gotta use a all over print for something to get closer to that. And I put up one sweater that's kind of like that. So if it was like me, I would order all my merch. But this is what it looks like on the front. This is what it looks like on the front. There's one more here on the sleeve, and one right there small at the top. So this is the very first shirt. So I'm going to get a little more visuals in the light. Right now I'm in the shade. Then we're gonna crop it. Crop it right. I'm gonna cut off that much. As far as the sleeves go, if I crop it how I normally do, but for right now, I'm not gonna do that. I cropped this much off the bottom. This is what it looks like in the light. There's a horse. So we just finished walking 2 hours, and to celebrate for our unboxing the Project Xtnctn merch today, we got a sausage magnifico pizza and taking a slight little break, and then after this we will be doing another 2-hour trip. Should be unboxing.